Updating your credit card on Bluehost is a straightforward process that ensures your billing information is current. Follow these steps to successfully update your payment details. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bluehost website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Billing section in the main menu. Click on it to access your billing information. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the billing settings, find the option labeled Payment Methods or Credit Card Information. Click on this to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update your credit card information. Here, you can either edit your existing credit card details or add a new card. Enter the updated credit card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Bluehost. Regularly checking and updating your payment details can help avoid any interruptions in service.